Today's the day of teaching. I'm going to be teaching 3D printing at the Makerspace, so I'm going to drive up in my daughter's car, see what it's like. This is our Makerspace, Protospace. So I've just finished 3D printing class and I'm going to head home, and hopefully I've got enough time to do some building of my own today. This is my A8, which will become an AM8. I just demonstrated it and I found out that my thumb wheel had come off somewhere, so I'm going to look in the car park to see if it's in there. It's not in the back of the car, so who knows what's happened. So I'll have to print some thumb wheels, which is a pain, but it needs a MOSFET anyway, so I'm going to put the MOSFET on, can rebuild it as the AM8, print off some ABS parts, and that'll be it. My daughter's new car, pretty nice. I just drove it. Pretty good. I enjoyed that. I'll take it more often, I think. I realised I hadn't looked at my new laser cutter yet. Let's have a look. Yep, it's a red one. They come in red and blue. I love the red one. And it's got an analog dial there. People do put digital on there. So that's inside the machine, and take this plastic off, this paper. They're the mirrors. That's where the laser comes out, and the X and Y. And inside there was this vent and pipe. Just a regular power. This pump for the coolant. And USB cable, power cable, silicone adhesive sealant, CD, a USB stick or dongle. So I need to set this guy up. As you can see, I haven't got anywhere to vent, so I'm just going to have to vent it out into the open, I guess. Future project.